If you could see the universe not just with your eyes, but with detectors finely tuned to invisible light, the entire cosmos would seem to glow. This isn't the crisp, starlit sky you see at night. Instead, the universe shines in a gentle, endless river of infrared light, a glow so pervasive and essential that astronomers call it the cosmic infrared background. But why does the universe glow with this soft, red-tinted radiance? And what does it reveal about the story of everything? To answer that, let's first revisit what infrared light really is. Infrared radiation is simply light too red for human eyes to see. Its wavelengths are longer than visible light, but shorter than microwaves. We might experience a bit of the infrared from the sun as warmth on our skin, but there's vastly more of it across the cosmos, hiding in plain sight. So where does all this infrared glow actually come from? The story starts billions of years ago in the wake of the Big Bang. In the early universe, matter was bathed in searing, energetic photons, mostly in the blue, ultraviolet, and visible spectrum. As the universe expanded and cooled, that initial fireball faded, but it left behind its own afterglow, the cosmic microwave background, a faint hiss of microwaves permeating space. But the universe wasn't static after the Big Bang. It evolved. Galaxies formed, stars were born and died, and with them came a whole new kind of light. Stars, especially the earliest, hottest generations, poured out ultraviolet light. But between these stars and our telescopes lies a universe filled with cosmic dust. Tiny grains of carbon and silicates, forged in the atmospheres of dying stars and scattered by supernovae. This dust acts like a cosmic filter. Ultraviolet and visible light from newborn stars slams into dust grains, which absorb and heat up from this energy. The dust doesn't stay hot. It re-radiates the energy it's absorbed, but because it's cooler than stars, this re-emitted light is mostly in the infrared. Like embers left after a roaring fire, dust grains glow softly. And collectively, throughout the universe, this creates a wash of infrared light. Over billions of years, as galaxies collided and evolved, this process continued. Starlight was born, filtered, and transformed into infrared. When astronomers decades ago launched the first infrared-sensitive telescopes beyond Earth's atmosphere, they discovered that this gentle glow was everywhere. Even in the deepest, darkest patches of the sky, far removed from individual galaxies, a faint infrared background remained. This omnipresent glow is like a fossil record, a relic not just of the universe's fiery birth, but of all the generations of stars and galaxies that have lived and died since. It's evidence that much of the action in the cosmos has been hidden. Up to half of all the starlight ever produced has been absorbed and re-emitted in infrared by dust. Some of the universe's most frenzied epochs of star formation, when galaxies were rapidly churning out new stars, are most clearly seen in this wavelength, not visible light. The particular color and brightness of this infrared background tell astronomers how much star formation happened at various times in the universe's history and how much dust has filled intergalactic space. In distant galaxies where stars form at tremendous rates, entire galaxies disappear from view in visible light, their younger populations swaddled in dust. Yet in the infrared they glow fiercely, as if countless fires were flickering just behind a curtain. Infrared also reveals other secrets. Some of the glow comes from galaxies so far away that their light has traveled for billions of years, stretched out by the expansion of the universe until it slips into the infrared range. In a sense, when we map the cosmic infrared background, we are looking at ancient starlight, filtered and transformed by the conditions of intergalactic space. So the universe glows with infrared light because it's a storyteller, the narrator of all the stars that ever lived, the dust that drifted between them, and the drama of cosmic creation and destruction. It's the sum of billions of galaxies, each adding its warmth to the background glow, a gentle but unbroken chorus, humming from one end of the universe to the other. The next time you gaze up at the night sky and see darkness between the stars, remember that the universe is far from cold and empty. Just beyond your vision, every patch of the cosmos is shining with the warmth of ancient fires, a quiet, enduring infrared glow carrying the memory of how the universe came to be.